You understand English. You watch videos. You follow conversations. But when you speak, your English suddenly feels simple. Later you think, I know better English than this. That's not a grammar problem. That's not a pronunciation problem. You're missing the right spoken words. Today, we'll fix that. These are words people use at work, in daily life, and in relationships. Words you already understand. But don't use confidently. Watch till the end. These words change how people hear you. Hi, I'm Daniel. I'll explain each word and what it really means in daily English.
And I'm Emma. I'll help you understand each word with 2 clear, real-life examples.
Figure out. This means to understand something after thinking or trying. You don't know it immediately, but you find the answer.
Examples are: first, I don't know the solution yet, but I'll figure it out. Second, at first the system was confusing, but I figured it out.
It depends. We use this when the answer is not fixed. The situation can change the result.
Example: first, can I take a day off? It depends. Second, I might join you later. It depends on my schedule.
Honestly, this word shows you are speaking truthfully and openly. It adds emotion and sincerity to your sentence.
Example: first, honestly, I didn't expect that reaction. Second, honestly, I was nervous before the interview.
I'm not sure. This is a polite way to say, you don't know yet. It sounds calm and confident, not weak.
Example: first, I'm not sure if this is the right decision. Second, I'm not sure. Let me check first.
Makes sense. We use this to talk about understanding or clarity. Very common when explaining ideas.
Example: first, does this explanation make sense? Second, at first it didn't make sense, but now it does.
Deal with. This means to handle a problem, responsibility, or situation. It's used a lot in work and life.
Example: first, I'll deal with this issue tomorrow. Second, she's dealing with a lot of stress right now.
At the end of the day. This means what really matters. After everything else, it focuses on the final truth.
Example: first, at the end of the day, results matter. Second, at the end of the day, I just want peace.
Kind of. This softens your sentence. It shows your feeling is not very strong or final.
Example: first, I'm kind of tired today. Second, I kind of like the idea, but I need time.
From my point of view. This is a respectful way to give your opinion. It sounds calm, not argumentative.
Example: first, from my point of view, this plan is risky. Second, from my point of view, communication is the problem.
It worked out. We say this when a situation ends well, even after problems. Very emotional and natural spoken English.
Example. First, we were worried, but it worked out. Second, the plan changed, but it worked out in the end. You don't need perfect English. You need usable English. Choose one word from today and use it in real life. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe for more real spoken English, and comment one sentence using today's words.